Okay, so barbell front squats. Now there is two different types of grip on this and we're going to demonstrate both. The first one, which you may find comfortable, will be sort of crossing your hands over. You might find that if you've got sort of some shoulder mobility problems, but the one that's probably more favourable and the one that we're going to demonstrate, the one that Clara will do, is to drive your elbows forward. So from that position, all she's going to do is walk the bar forwards. Throughout the whole movement, really, really important on this one, she's going to imagine that literally I'm doing this in her tummy the whole time, so that's nice and tight and she's nice and upright. From there, elbows will stay up, foot position herself, we'll deem sort of what's comfortable, but for Clara that's just kind of about hip distance, just hip distance apart. From there, this is going to be big focus on hitting the quads, so she's going to drop down. From this point here, what she is going to do is focus on squeezing those quads, but at the same time clamping those glutes together, because everything's going to be working on this one. Driving back up, as you can see, nice and tight, nice and stable up top, drops back down. From that position there, we're going to drive everything through those heels, okay? That bar and that weight's wanting to pull her forwards, our centre of mass is back, we want to make sure that that keeps her nice and stable. Drops back down again. The main thing where people will sort of falter on this will be they'll tip forward, a lot of room in the lower back, but as you can see with Clara, nice and tight, initiates the quads, initiates the glutes, drives back up, and there you have barbell front squat.